Good morning, Unity parents, students, and other subscribers. Welcome to the Unity Digital Connections for Friday, May 15th. Have a great day.
Today's day 5.
Morning, everybody. Today we're going to do something a little bit different for the Friday. For the last 2 Fridays, we've had a video chat where everybody's invited in and we can talk and socialize. Today we're doing one where it's not for the socializing. It's not just to come in and check in. It's actually to get help for your work, and specifically getting help for your writing assignments if you need that, and it could be help in other classes too. Miss Brady, Miss Moore, and I will be there. You can come in, say what kind of help you might need, or just check in to say, hey, did we get this done, or can you check this assignment, or I think I turned this in, can you take a look at it? You can do those things, and then we can help you out right there, or we can figure out some ways to help you out. What I'll do is I will send you an email at somewhere a little bit before 10 with a link to join in, and you can join in at that point, but you can join in anytime between 10 and probably 1ish or so, if you as you're working on things, so it doesn't have to be right at 10. And Miss Brady and Miss Moore and I will be there. We'll help you out if you can, like at 10 o'clock, but we'll stick around for those. And then we'll just stay, and if nobody's on, I'll just keep the recording, or I'll keep the video on, and as soon as somebody pops in, then I'll be right there, or I can help you out, because I'll use the other computer that I have to do that. So we are helping with this, and if you needed other help at any time, please email us, and then we can set up and send you a link, and we can talk face to face, or anything that we can to try to help you out with getting everything caught up. Next week, probably the last week of how we're doing, like the things for the school-wise things, we need to get everything in. You need to get caught up. You know what to do. We'll help you out with those things. The writing, it seems like about half of everybody's done, and you've done a really nice job. They're really good. So looking forward to getting the rest of everybody's in. So hopefully we'll see you tomorrow at some point with any help that you need. If not, keep working away, and it's catch-up day on Friday. So on a different note, the Wisconsin State Supreme Court said that it wasn't okay to have the stay-at-home orders. Whether or not that's a great idea for them to do that or not, I'm not going to argue about it, but we do need to, we still need to stay safe. We still need to be aware of our surroundings. We still need to socially distance. Those things haven't changed. They just said that the way it went about wasn't right. So just please be very careful for the vulnerable populations. The reason, and school is not in for the end of the year, so there's not going to be school. So they didn't say that we have to come back to school or anything like that. So until the end of the school year, we're still going to be digital connections, but just make sure you're safe, and your parents too. Just make sure that for the vulnerable populations, the stuff that we've been doing, we'll just keep doing. All right, catch you guys later.